Look what the bear did. Look at it. I was trying to involve you, dude. There was no need for that kind of violent behaviour. Doesn't give a damn. Can you fly this wicked path all the way around? Probably, but I'm not sure I can. This could be cool though. Not quite ready to risk the quad on this. I'm not sure if I've gone the wrong way. Some guy gave me directions to what he said would be a wicked little field to fly in, but I'm actually approaching a big fence. Not promising. I had no idea this moorland was up here. Oh, little bird watching spot with feeders. No birds. Why did you jump up here? as fields go, it was pretty alright. Bounced the drone about a little bit, but we'll see. I'm now going back for that pathway I pointed out earlier. I've got to have a go. It's probably I better not say, but yeah, it's coming close to that time. Better one bang this. Hardest line I've ever done. I don't have the parts to try this more than once. I'm well out of focus. Hey bear. Hey bear. It's pretty bewildered to be here, if I'm honest. Right. Well, this was a pretty bad run. Absolutely spangled the balance lead. So I'm going to need to get a new one of them. Absolutely fantastic. Done some damage to the battery cable. Wonked off the top of the GoPro and lost a propeller and a nut. So I'm going to be doing a little stroll around, see if I can get the clip for the GoPro back. That'd be great. And I mean, what are the chances of finding a nut, really? I know I've got spares, but pain. I hope the footage was worth it. I won't find out till later. Well, I've recovered one of the props. Some guy came along walking his dog and just plucked it out of the ground, despite the fact that I've been walking around in circles for the last 5 minutes. I don't like leaving litter, even if it is like part of my GoPro case, but I have combed this area. I can't see nothing, and recovering the screw is just like a lost cause without a super powerful magnet. Worth a try. At least we got the prop back. Leave no trace and all that. Now I've just got to find my way back to the car. I've been like walking for ages, so wish me luck.